Alright, welcome. We're going to be opening Hidden Arsenals Chapter 1, and I've changed up the setting. Hopefully it works a little bit better, and by the setting I mean I have a condenser mic going through like a switchboard type thing into my phone to record this, so you can actually hear me, because for some reason you couldn't hear me in the last couple of videos too well, but you can hear everything else. So I will be taking pauses in between me opening this because I bought the display, and we have 8 boxes to open up. So yeah, and there's not that much room on my little table here. I will be trying to clear off my desk shortly in the next week to be doing them on that. But this has my little stand with a light, so it works pretty well. So we're going to take a pause cut, and I'm going to get some of this stuff opened up. I'm going to pre-open all the plastic off the boxes in just a second here. Hopefully we can get all the dice without focus. I'm not too sure if there's a hidden dice. I opened Battle Legends Chapter 1, something like that, and there was a secret die in there, and I ended up getting every dice there, every die. So that was pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to take a pause cut and open up these packages, or the plastic off the boxes first, and then we'll see what we get. Okay, so now I've, I guess, de-sleeved. Took off all the plastic packaging on every one of the boxes. Like I said, not a lot of room set up. Have a condenser mic, like literally right here. So I'm trying. I used the condenser mic that came with this kit, although I think I have a better one. So uh, slowly improving. Let's see. Oh, I forgot these came with this. Hold up. Focus. Yeah, I know it's on the packaging. Is that the secret rare? Yeah, that's the secret rare. Pile Armor Dragon. Okay. Don't think I've seen this card before. You can send one other Wind Dragon monster or one other level 7 or higher dragon monster from your hand to the graveyard. Special summon this card from your hand. You can send one Armor Dragon monster from your hand or deck to the graveyard except Pile Armor Dragon. Then target one face-up monster you control. That targeted monster gains attack equal to the level of the monster sent to the grave times 300 until the end of the turn. Wow, this card would actually be pretty broken if you ran Armor Dragon level 10. I may have a deck idea coming up for this. Hold on. You know, these things that hold the special cards. I'm going to have to open that later. I have a good deck idea. What die did we get? Focus. Do you want focus? I'm not sure which one that is. It's got 3 heads. This is supposed to be one of the blue eyes ones. Let me read these boxes real quick. Oh, I'm thinking of a different box set. I bought some of the Legendary Duelist Season 1 and Season 2 boxes, and that's the one I'm thinking of. That's the Blue Eyes and Blue Eyes Alternative. I don't know if you heard that last part. But cool, so we got one of the 5. That's nice. Throw that dice right in here with all the other ones I've collected. Gotta catch them all. Even though it's not Pokemon, but gotta collect them all. Actually, I'll switch these because I get a lot more of the other cards. Oh, crap. There goes the microphone. Definitely gotta get the tripod. Well, actually, I should find my tripod. You know, it's older. Alright, what's in this one? I haven't actually opened these before. I've opened the Legendary Duelist one. Is this a roadmap? Did they give me a roadmap in this? Legendary, X Saber, Gen X, yeah, I think that's Gen X Worms, Jurassics. So that was old. I almost knocked that over again. I am so sorry. Probably would be able to read this. So I'm just going to hand slowly up to it, and you can pause the video if you want to read it. You don't have to. I would suggest it. You could probably pull this up online. I didn't even know this was in here. This is what I thought was a roadmap at first. Fold the side back and then show you the rest of it. And then I'm pretty much just going to open all the boxes and get the packs out. And then the dice just to speed this up a little bit faster. Trying not to move too fast so it stays in focus. Sorry if it's a slow speed, but it does give you a little bit more of a chance if you want to read it. This one over again. Oh, there's still packs of these too. The War Dragons. King of the Cloud. Dragon Orbs. Closer so it's in focus. It's probably not the best picture quality. I am recording this on a beat up Nokia phone. And when I mean beat up, like I dropped it in an industrial dishwasher before I was drained all the water, so it got pretty messed up. But for some reason, still runs. So Nokia makes great brands. Wish they still made their old brick phones. You could drop those things off of anything practically. Pikes, Barons. What we get over here? The Fables. Now these were an interesting deck to play against in Yu-Gi-Oh! World Championships in 2010. They were not necessarily really difficult, but they did, depending on what type of gimmick deck you were running, they could be a good, formidable foe, especially if they got really good RNG. Mist Valley. Sorry, like I said, I'm trying to move it not so fast so it stays in focus, while also making sure the camera doesn't fall over. And we got Flamevilles. Now, Flamevilles were fun for burn decks. I used not a full Flameville, but I definitely used quite a few of them in some of the decks I ran. Obviously, everyone basically ran him for a lot of different decks. There's an Exodia deck that I have on one of my Yu-Gi-Oh games that uses him. I use him for Blue Eyes, a lot of others. But he was also pretty good too, just for a quick 1700 beater monster. Send out anytime it destroyed a monster. I think it did 200 damage times whatever the level was of the monster. So it was good for chip damage, especially if you could beat it and put like quick cards on it. I think I put Dragon's Rush on the field so I could do piercing damage, and that's where I got a lot of quick damage to people. So now that's out of the way, we have 2 packs per box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack the packs on the side, and I'm going to open the rest of these and get the packs out, and then show you the dice. So I'm going to pause here and open all those real quick, just again to save time because we're already at 9 minutes. Okay, that took a few minutes. That took a few minutes because my mom came in and asked me some questions. So I stacked them up. This is going to be 8 all the way down, and then that's going to be 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, one won't actually have its card because I already did that. Then I stack some of the dice over here. So we got the little that dude who's from Fables. We then got one of the guys who's from the wants to focus. I have them upside down. The what are they called? Then we still have this pack thing over here. The Nutra Forest. And we ended up getting another one of the bad guys from Fables, another one of the Nutra Forest dudes, and then we ended up getting one of Ally of Darkness. I want to say Ally of Darkness. Ally of Justice. That's what it was. We actually got two of those. And then we got one of the Flammable guys. And then the other Ice Baron one that I already threw in here. So we ended up getting all 5 of the dice, which is actually really cool. We got each one of the ice. Let's see. Here it is on top. The Ice Barons. I'm assuming that's from the Ice Barons because all the other ones are from the other guys in the set that we just saw in that whole thing. So putting 2 and 2 together, safe assumption. I'll have to read the actual box because hopefully that one will tell me what it really is. So now we're going to open these in kind of reverse order. We'll see what we got for our secrets. Oh, did I really get Power Tool Dragon? That's huge. I think that's... Oh, wait, no, I think now I might actually have at least one of every one of the 5 major dragons from Yu-Gi-Oh! 5Ds. I have Ancient Fairy Dragon. I have Stardust. I have Black Rose Dragon. I have... Oh, wait, no, I don't think I have Crow's Dragon from 5Ds, but I have Jack Atlas's Red Dragon. So, cool. That was one of the ones I needed, actually. Let me bring this back a little bit. I don't know how well you'll hear the crinkling of me opening the packs. Oh, never mind. If I do that, I can hear it. Alright. Ooh, these actually have some smell to them. That's... Wow, these must be fresh. Oh, okay. Mist Valley Thunderbird. Fable Chris. Dragonaut Javelin. Shock Troopers of the Ice Baron. I've been getting a lot of Ice Baron cards lately. There's always a pineapple somewhere. Oh, Poku. Yes, that's a good card for most decks. I'm into a Stratus. I got a lot of you. Mist Valley Shaman. Medallion of the Ice Baron. I got a few of you. Ooh. Barak, Dragon of the Ice Baron. I'm sorry, I will butcher a lot of these. I have not seen this rarity before. Like, I know there's a lot of different rarities of Yu-Gi-Oh! From different sets and types and things like that. I personally have not seen this rarity, like in person. I've seen many different types of these types of rarities, like online and stuff like that, but never like actually in very... Oh god, dropping the mic. No, I'm not trying to do that. Not trying to drop the mic on all the cards and crush them. Okay. So I'm going to have to look up this rarity later because I don't know this rarity off the top of my head. I know it's not a shatter foil, and I don't think it's a star foil. What foil are you? I am going to have to look you up later. But anyways, it's a Dragoonity Ducks. You are going over here because you were an interesting foil. Neutral. This one too. Now I'm gonna go back and look at all the other cards I just put in that box to make sure they're not this rarity. But anyways, Neutral Rock or Natural Rock. Please comment down below if you know what that rarity is, because it will help me out. Ooh, here we go. Now I just sorry, getting ahead of myself. ADHD. Uh, Fable Mystery? Hmm. Miztojai. Sounds closer. Oh, folks. Seems like an interesting card. Focus, please. Thank you. Ally Justice. Castor? Catastor? Catastor. Mace Valley Falcon. Actually a pretty good card. Dragoonity Parsing. Dragoonity Militum. Now, before I continue on, I'm actually going to pull these cards out of this box. Double check. Happy I have this light here, so I'm going to double check. Well, these were not whatever that rarity is. Oh, no, Card Trooper. I didn't even see Card Trooper. Did we? That one was literally hidden right on top of this card, as if it was a card. So we have a Card Trooper in that rarity as well. One moment, please. Let me read one of these boxes and see, because it does tell you. Alright. Each box includes 2 Hidden Arsenal Chapter 1 packs. Each pack contains 18 cards. 1 of 7 secret rare variants. 1 of several collectible monster types. Nah, it doesn't tell me the other areas. Some of the other ones, oh, got it. Some of the other ones would tell you the straight up rarities that you would get in the pack. So I don't know if we're gonna get those in every pack, or if that was just the really interesting pack that we got. What, 3 of those? Yeah, it did not open the way I wanted it to, but it's open. I need more room. I really need to clear off my desk. Problem when you have so many little hobbies. You have very little room, especially when you're in a tiny room. Alright. Neo Flameville Shaman. Now we're double checking every card here. Wrath of Neos. Ally of Justice Quarantine, which actually, this is the neither player can special summon like monsters. Okay, that's not the card I thought it was. I thought it was one that I think I'm thinking of Satellite. And it's not even an Ally of Justice monster. Ally of Justice Field Marshal. Yes, Field Marshal. I don't think I've seen this Ally of Justice card. Guardhold? I really hope I'm saying that right. It seems like that's how you're supposed to pronounce it, but I'm very bad at pronunciating words. Pronunciating? See, I can read them. I can read them in my head really well, but I get all tongue-tied. It's not a good time. Ally of Justice Nullifier. Could read that one. So far, we haven't gotten any of those specialties. Dragoonity Knight Trident. Yes, Trident. Sorry, I'm covering the card. Fable Lurcher? Lurchy? The Fable Ganesha? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We got a Red Eyes Black Dragon with that rarity. And I think we saw a sneak peek of a Blue Eyes in that rarity just below it. Okay. Oh, we got 3 of them right in a row. So we got a Red Eyes. Really like that. We got a Dragoon Knight, Gabold. I know that one because of Fate Stay Night Ultimate Blade Works. Unlimited Blade Works, sorry. And then we get a Blue Eyes White Dragon in this too. Focus. That is nice to get both a red eyes and a blue eyes right, like basically after each other in that rarity. That's awesome. Then we got another one, so we got four in a row. Fable Orestes? I'm gonna look up how to pronounce that one later. Cool card. I might actually change my channel picture to be this card because that's just a dope picture. Yeah, I was thinking about changing my like channel picture icon to a Yu-Gi-Oh card. I was thinking like Reaper of the Cards or Spirit Reaper or something like that, but those are kind of basic. Comment down below what Yu-Gi-Oh card are you think I should change my channel picture to. I think that would be a real interesting one. And now we have Fable. This one should be easy, but it seems really hard. Dianera? Marinara. Natural Beetle. After getting a blue eyes and red eyes, everything seems kind of lackluster in this pack after it. That was pretty awesome, actually. Royal Knight of the Ice Baron. Dragoony Trebus, something like that. Focus. Flameville Dragavon. Dragnova. Drago? I will get this. Dragnov. I don't know. Oh god, we're already at 21 minutes. Yeah, and we got Power Tool Dragon. And then next one we got Dragony Gessimer? I'm a Gessimer. That's okay. I might end up actually cutting this into 2 videos. Sorry about that. Unless you really just like long platform videos, but hey. I should really put on my static wristband so I stop having static clinging to these. Blizzard Defender of the Ice Baron. Okay. Hey, Flameville Guard, I can use that. Quite a few in my decks. Level 1 Dragon Tuner. Very useful card. Even though it's a normal, it's very useful. Ally of Justice Cycle Reader. Okay, oh, you're also a tuner. Hey, we got Karibo. Now I have more than just the one I've had for like 20 years. Oh. That's nice to have a newer Karibo. I have like, I think at least one of every Karibo, but again, one, not like multiples of the same. And I've only had one of my very original Karibos I got when I was a kid. So it's nice to have a newer one. Ally of Justice, Field Marshal, we already had one of these. We had a Nullifier as well. I don't believe we had General Garnet of the Ice Barons. That doesn't seem right. Grenard? Something like that. Yeah, we got another Harpies Lady. Or I should say, I now have another Harpies Lady too. I think this is the 4th one we have. Cool. We got a Mystical Space Typhoon in that rarity. Whatever that rarity is, please comment down below so I have an easier time of researching it, because I will research it after this. That's actually a really dope one. And then we got that Ironic Dragon of the Ice Baron, which we got in ultra rare. Now I'm starting to think, like, was this one in that foil? This one was in that foil lead rare. I didn't even realize. But this one seems way more pronounced than this one does. Like, literally side by side, this one definitely seems more pronounced, unless it's just my eye. But even if I switch them to side, like, this one still seems more pronounced. Alright. Some assuming these are some type of ultra rare. We've seen this guy before. I'm not going to butcher his name. And then we got a new card in that rarity as well. General Raiho of the Ice Baron. Nice looking card. Wait, no, hold up a minute. Some of these are ultras, and I think some of these are commons with that rarity on them. Now I'm all sorts of confused. Yeah, you keep learning something new every time. The fabled Kadaba, I think that's how you say that. Natural Mantis. You guys want to see its stats? It's actually 1700 right off rip for level 4. Samurai of the Ice Baron. That seems cool. That seems like an Elden Ring build. Oh, 1800 attack right off rip. If this face-up attack position card is changed to face-up defense position, destroy this card, and if you do, draw one card. I think I'm already formulating a plan with that one. Right. Dragoonity. I can't speak now. Choruses? Something like that. The fabled Chihuahua. Or Chihuahua. It's definitely Chihuahua. Whoa. Kraken. Ally of Justice, Enemy Catcher. Cool. Next pack for that. Yeah, I'm really starting to think I'm just going to split this. Even though I've been taking pause cuts and stuff, I'm still almost at a half hour. So I think I am going to, what other packs do I have? I say I'll get through maybe one more set and I'll pause this and then make this one video and then upload the second one because it also takes forever to upload. Or at least something from the phone. It takes quite a while to upload a thing that's around 30-40 minutes. So I'll probably go until about 30-something minutes or whatever I do want to get past some of these and then make it 2 equal videos. Just so it's easier not only for you guys to watch whatever you want to watch, but also because there was a lot of filler stuff in the beginning. So this will be part 1. That's what that guy was. That dice was Natural Cosmo Beat. That sounds like a song lyric. Ally of Justice, Reverse Breaker. Reverse Breaker. I almost said Revenge Maker. Dragoonity, Dark Spear. That's also a tuner. There's a lot of tuners in that. We got the Pineapple again. Shock Trooper, the Ice Baron again. Ally of Justice, Gredog, or whatever his name is. Swallow's Nest, sorry. Neo Flameville Hedgehog. It's Sonic when he's going supersonic. Oh, you're also a tuner. Nice, I'm getting a lot more tuners. Oh, you're not one of those special. You're not one of those special rarities. But this guy is. At least I think he was. Nope, I will miss. Strategist of the Ice Bear. Whoa, this one's got Night Assassin. This card looks crazy. It's got this other type of like foil rarity over it, and it's also an ultra rare, so there's a lot of the Egyptian hieroglyphs right behind it, which are also crazy with this. And we got a Dark Magician. Hold up. So we got a Kaiba, a Joey Wheeler. We got a Seto Kaiba, I should say. A Joey Wheeler, and a Yugi Moto card, all in this rarity from the first like 3 or 4 boxes we opened. I'm very happy. Very, very happy. Do not know what this rarity is, but I am very happy. And now we got Dwolin Tiger King of the Ice Bears. And Natural Cliff. It's really weird because I'm like looking at through